Hello everyone, Lisa here. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm very excited to do this video. As you can tell, based on the title of this video, you already know that this is going to be an unboxing video. So this just arrived today. This was shipped from Switzerland, if I'm not mistaken, April 27. So this just arrived today, so more or less 2 months. It's quite long because you know the system here in the Philippines, the Bureau of Customs still have to inspect the shipment, so that's why. And by the way, I'm filming this during the day, so most probably you can hear roosters and motorcycles, and my son is also in front of me right now. He's not sleepy yet, so let's just film with him. So as I mentioned earlier, this just arrived today in this box. So it's quite big because it's actually 2 laptops. The one is HP, that's my partner's, and the other one is this MacBook Pro. He gave this to me. Very spoiled girlfriend. So let's open the box. Actually, at the bottom of the box, you can see there the specifications. So I'm not gonna be telling you about that because I'm actually a newbie when it comes to MacBook. So more or less, I wouldn't understand. So let's just leave it as is. Anyway, it's 13-inch high-performance notebook with Retina display. I don't know exactly what that means, but it sounds good, so let's just appreciate. So let's open the box already. This is the box. So inside is the device thingamajig. The device itself, it's in color gray or silver. I don't know what's the difference between gray and silver, but in the devices. So before we head on to the device itself, let's go through first the accessories. So these are the accessories that comes with it. So the first one is this one. Is this the care card? I think, I don't know, it's my first time. Oh, the manuals and instructions of the laptop. This one I think is the one you use for wiping the screen or wiping the laptop itself. So it comes with this black Chada envelope. And then I don't know what this is. I still have to ask Alan about it. Okay. German siya dahil dili ko kasabot. Halinan. So mga tanar ako niya unya. And then also I think this is the charger, and I'm quite sure mga tanar po niya kung unsa ni. Yung mga weird kislagnaw, mga alien kislagnaw. So those are the accessories that comes with it. So let's move on sa device itself. So this is 13-inch. Wala akong nasabtan ako pang ibasa kanina. So 13-inch siya. As you may have noticed, it's already open, or the protective plastic is already open, because as I mentioned earlier, the Bureau of Customs still have to inspect. So i-open na nila. And then this is the device itself. Daghan pa siyang mga fingerprints. I think sa kuan ni sa mga nag-inspect, mahuro kasi nagkamot. Ginaniya. Joke. Hindi pa lang nila soon. Anyway, so this is it. So let's open the device. Sorry, pag-open, mams. Bali ni mams. Oh, ignorante kay ko, mams. So this is it. Dako siya tanawon sa camera. Actually, dako manggid siya. 13-inch. Dako gid siya. So, makni siya ang device. Daghan gid siya mga fingerprints, ma'am. Yun. Ito lang yung tapuan. Ano? Naugid siya fingerprints sa screen, ma'am. So, atong i-on. Loading na siya, ma'am. Lo, nakasig ko day. Siga ang apple. Nakasig ko day. Ito naman yung gas admin. Kailangan ba rin siya i-set up, no? Gusto ko may pag-set up. Pa-set up sa nato ni sir, ha? I will be back. that's it for the unboxing, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I have another video to upload. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!